beautiful, it's Katie and again, your virtual nail tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your sizing kit. I'm going to be giving you some important tips and tricks to get the perfect fit so that you can order your beautiful press-on nails. Stay tuned. Okay everyone, so when you pull out your sizing kit, you're going to see that the sizes range from 0 to 9. In total, there are 10 sizes for each shape and length. So on the card, you're going to see that there are 10 boxes. There's 5 boxes for your left hand, 5 boxes for your right hand. That's where you want to record your numbers. I recommend starting with your thumb first. And as you can see, I'm feeling it out to make sure that the nail is flush with my natural nail. You want your press-on nails to look as if they're growing exactly out of your nail. So that's something that you want to make sure you're doing. In addition to that, you want to make sure that the press-on nail is covering your entire nail. So from the side to side. You don't want your nails to not be covered because that's going to make it hard for you to get that perfect fit and have longevity in your set. So again, I'm just testing it out. And as you can see, this size is a little too big. It's almost hanging over and touching my skin. And that's no bueno. The problem with having a big press-on nail is the fact that when you actually apply your glue, it may seep off on the sides and it's just going to make it easier for it to pop off. It's touching the skin and our skin has natural oils that is going to go against the adherence that you're getting with the nail glue. So you just want to make sure that it's covering the entire nail but not touching too much on your skin. I'm pretty satisfied with this size, and the main reason why I'm satisfied is that it's flush with my cuticle. It covers my side walls on either side of my index finger and it feels comfortable, so I'm sticking with it. As you're taking your measurements, you want to make sure to be tracking them on that card for a reason. I ended up forgetting last minute to do that, and I had to go back and double check and make sure I was putting the right sizes. But yeah, as you take measurements for one finger, go ahead and write down that measurement and then go ahead and take the rest of the measurements back and forth, back and forth. So let's just say as you're testing out your sizing kit, you realize that for one of your nails or for either of your nails, you get stuck between two numbers and you can't make a choice. I would recommend always going a size up because that just means that when you get your nails, if it still feels a little too big, you can just take the nail file that's provided in your prep kit and just rub it down a little bit. Lightly etch the side so that it can have a more tailored fit, because you don't want to go a size down and not cover your natural nail because that's just going to make it easier to pop off. So again, always go a size up if you're stuck between two numbers. So now that I've found my perfect fit for my left hand, I'm going to go ahead and speed through my right hand. It's very simple. All you want to do is make sure that your natural nail is covered from side to side, that the press-on nail is flush with your cuticle so that you can get that natural look when you actually get your nails. As a nail artist, I think that getting a sizing kit is one of the best ways to go about measuring for your press-on nails, just because you actually get to put it on and get a feel for what you're getting. One last thing, please keep in mind the fact that due to different shapes and lengths, there may be some variance in terms of measurements. So even let's say, for example, you got your measurement for long stiletto in this case, that may not be the same case for a long tapered square or even a round. So you want to go ahead and either manually measure your nails with flexible measuring tape or get a sizing kit. As you can see, sizing kits make it really simple to find your perfect fit, but if you're having issues, feel free to reach out at help@firstimpressionsnails.com or DM us on TikTok or Instagram and Twitter for assistance.